fundraising. Besides helping out wherever people suffer unexpected consequences, such as the earthquake in Haiti, which our organization some contributions. Most of the money that we make from this fundraising are channeled to provide needed medical support to our less privileged people at home. Through the medical mission, we have helped save the lives of thousands of people and those of nearby communities. We've also rendered important medical education, addressed medical awareness to countless others. All these accomplishments, we go to your kind support and generous donations. Today, we call on you once again to join hands with us by adding value to the lives of the underprivileged in our community. Dear distinguished guests, it is a given that people who share a common direction and a sense of community are apt to reach their destination easier and quicker because they are traveling on the trust of one another. I have no doubt that your presence here today has confirmed we are people who share the same sense of purpose. I call on you this evening to support the organization with medical mission fundraising by donating generously to this noble cause. May God richly bless you and bless your beloved family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.